Hello, my name is Elliot Potter Klein, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a mechanical keyboard. I'll be using this, a double-sided switch right here, and keycap puller, but if you don't have this, you may have these two. This one's for pulling the switches, and this one is for pulling the keycaps. If you still don't have that one, you can use a flat Phillips screwdriver to get under it. Alright, now the first step we want to do is make sure your keyboard is unplugged, right? Because if it's not unplugged, things can go wrong. So unplug it from your computer if you're like me and yours has its own cable that goes in and it can unplug. Unplug the cable. The RGB should go off. Then you're going to want to take this one right here and pull off a key switch. It should go like that. See? Comes right off. Now I'll show it with this piece. Just goes right there. Press down. Pulls it right out, as you can see. And now with a screwdriver, or a Phillips, a flathead, sorry, not Phillips. And just see, I'm just getting it under the key switch, and then comes right off right there, you can see. Now, after this is off, what you want to do is you will want to take these off. Now these are the actual key switches that gives the feel of the keyboard. Just a fair warning, do not do this at home. I have a special kind of keyboard called a hot swap where the switches are not soldered in. Most keyboards, the switches are soldered in, and pulling them out will result in breaking it and not being able to put them back in. Mine is, however, not like this. It's a custom built one. I put my own switches in. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece and you're going to go down in there and kind of tug it out. If it gives any real tension, that means something could be going wrong. So press it back in and then try it again. This time making sure the edges of the thingy get under both sides, and pull it out, and you can see here's the switch on its own. Now I will show you it with this switch puller right here. For this one, basically the same thing. Just go right here. Right? Sorry if my hand's blocking. Make sure it's under both sides. Oh, there's a screw here. And just... Now right now it's giving me lots of tension. It should not give you very much tension. It's giving you lots of tension. It means you're doing something wrong. And if you rip it out, it will break. So you just need to take it out and try again. Oh, I see what the problem is. The problem is I can't get under it with this one right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off this shift bar, right, above it. Now, I should have, now it's a lot easier. And it's just going to get under, right, and then, boom, it's out. Lastly, I'll show you it with the screwdriver. You're going to want to find an edge, either the top or the bottom. For that, you might want to take off a keycap above it, right? And then just kind of pry it out. There, comes out real easily. Now, to show you the parts of this keyboard, turn it towards you, right? So obviously, we have the keycaps right here that you press. We have, sorry if the lighting's bad, we have these key switches. Here are what they look like when they're off. Oh, and here's what the keycaps look like when they're off. And then under that, we have this white part, which is called the plate. It helps with the sound of it. And then right under there, you can see that that's the PCB. It's kind of like the motherboard. And that's what kind of makes it work as a keyboard and go into it. And the last part is a cable right here. Plugs in right here. And then it lights up.